everybody! Welcome back to our channels. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do gel extension nails using Sealam Supply Gel Extension Kit. Our gel system includes 5 different shapes. It also includes the 4-step gel system. We have primers, base coat, adhesive gel glues, and top coat. The kit also includes an LED UV light that is portable, rechargeable, and touchable. Our gel adhesive glues also have a different version. This is our jar versions. It has a thicker consistency, it is moldable, and it's perfect for flat nail bed clients, or if you're DIY girlies, this is the perfect choice for you. If you purchase the whole collections of our gel systems, it would be only $150 with the value of $183.50. The most important step is to prep the natural nail surface. Today, I'm using the Sealam Supply B2 Thrill Bit. This will help taking off all the dead skin around the cuticle areas. Okay, using a buffer to remove the shines on the natural nails. Okay, just dusting off any of the dust that's sticking on the nail surface. Let's start with our 4-step system. First one is the primers. The gel primer helps remove any excess oils or dirt on the natural nail surface. Choose your preferred shape from the kit. Measure the nails to ensure they fit from side to side. Our gel system includes 5 different shapes, which is almond, long stilettos, coffin, long coffin, and squares. Our gel up brow tips have been modified to have a thicker top and thinner bottom, so it can provide a flawless cuticle applications, and you can refill them up to 2 times. Move on to step 2, our gel up base coat. The gel up base coat has a thicker consistency than our regular base coats. This helps to protect the client's natural nails as well as create a sticky layer for the nail tips to adhere on. Apply the gel base coat on the client's natural nails. Make sure it covers the entire nails. Fully cure the base coat under the UV light for 60 seconds. I'm using a mini sanding band drill bit to remove the shine underneath the tips. This helps the nail to adhere better with the gel adhesive glue. Our gel adhesive glue has a high viscosity. It is easy to control and it helps prevent bubbles and spillage. Use a moderate amount of gel adhesive glue onto the nails. We also have a jar versions, which has a solid consistency. It is moldable and it's perfect for flat nail beds. When using these jar versions, make sure to use a silicone pen to spread the gel evenly before applying onto the nail. Since the jar versions has a solid consistency, you can easily remove any spillage while curing under our LED touchable light. After applying the nail tips onto every single nails, make sure to fully cure them under the big light for 60 seconds. Here is the finished applications. Let's move on to the color applications. After the color applications, I'm going to use the gel up top coat and apply a thin, even layers. Our gel up top coats had a thinner consistency than our glam top coat, but it still ensures a high shine and durability. The thin consistency prevents the nail from becoming too thick. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow us at sealamsupply.com to see more.